Welcome to our comprehensive guide on shipping a snowmobile. Whether you're hitting mountain trails or heading overseas, we've got you covered with everything you need to know about shipping your sled. At A1 Auto Transport, we specialize in affordable snowmobile shipping services, nationwide and internationally. With experienced shippers, your next adventure will be stress-free. Just tell us where to ship and we'll handle the rest. We ship a variety of snowmobiles, including no matter the type or how many, we're ready to assist with your shipments. Shipping snowmobiles requires careful preparation due to their varying designs and sizes. Whether you're sending it to Sweden for a snowcross or relocating across the US, our professional transporters handle every step of the process. Proper preparation is essential to ensure a smooth shipping process. Here are some common steps you need to follow. Remove external parts, take off handlebars, belts, windscreen, and tie-downs. Also, remove any additional accessories like ski-doos. Drain the fuel tank. Make sure the fuel tank is no more than 1/4 full to reduce weight and prevent leaks. Clean and document condition. Clean your snowmobile and note any existing damages. This will help you verify its condition upon delivery. Shipping snowmobiles often involves specialized carriers to ensure proper packaging and securing. Some companies even offer door-to-door service for added convenience, especially for recreational purposes or winter sports events. For more information, check out our top recommendations for snowmobile adventures and places to find new or used snowmobiles. Need to ship snowmobile parts or the whole unit? We've got you covered. Contact our customer support today for expert assistance. Get your free, no-obligation quote today. At A1 Auto Transport, we're here to make your snowmobile shipping experience hassle-free.